You need to clean outdoors, but your weak hose just doesn't cut it anymore. And lugging out that bulky pressure washer is a backbreaking chore. Introducing HydroX5 by Turbojet, the powerful portable cordless pressure washer. Simply quick connect and let HydroX5 transform your hose into a pressure washing powerhouse. Now make quick work of driveways, walkways, and patio decks. Easily clear debris from gutters, siding, and fences. HydroX5 comes equipped with a rechargeable lithium-ion battery for unmatched speed and convenience. It's like putting the power of a pressure washer in the palm of your hand. Look, we even blasted away years of dirt and debris from this wood deck. The secret is an advanced water pressurization technology that creates a precision jet stream 5 times more powerful to reach up and easily clean tall windows without a ladder. HydroX5 is cordless, lightweight, and precision balanced. Perfect for refreshing patio furniture, getting into corners and crevices, or safely power cleaning screen doors and windows. No hose? No problem. HydroX5 comes with a water extracting system that works with any bucket or clean water source. Ideal for camping, RVing, and boating. Stop cleaning with that weak hose and power wash like the pros with HydroX5.